Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's see how we can get the sum total by using this checkbox control. So for example, the first row, currently the status remark is showing as pending and the total sum is 4000. The moment I click on this checkbox, the remark has become changed from pending to paid and the sum total is 5000. Likewise, row number 3 where we have pending, if I click here, it is shown as paid and the sum is 6000. Let me go to the new sheet where I already created the template. So first let's insert the checkbox. For this I select the entire cell where I need a checkbox and then I go to insert tab, and where we have the checkbox, just click on this, we got the checkbox. Now let's have the remarks here. For this I use if function is equal to if this status is equal to true, then I want status as paid. If not, it should be pending. Close parenthesis, press enter. Now let's extend this formula, press enter. And now also I use conditional formatting. So let me select the entire cell, go to home tab, then we have the conditional formatting, new rule, and then go to the second option for format only cell that contains. Then here in specific value, let's change it to specific text. Here I type it as pending, and then I go to format. I select the red, click OK, click OK. So wherever we have pending, it will show in red. And likewise, go to conditional formatting again, new rule, go to second option, specific text, and here if it is paid, it should show in green color. So let's select green, click OK, click OK. And now you can see the moment if I click on this checkbox, it has changed from pending to paid. So let me untick now. So before that, let me also write the sum formula here is equal to, I use sum if function, and then the range, sum range will be this, comma, and criteria range will be where we have the checkbox, comma, and then I type it true, close parenthesis, press enter. Now the moment I click on this checkbox, you can see the remark is getting changed from pending to paid. At the same time, the sum is getting totaled. Now currently we have 2000. Let me click here. It got changed paid and it is 3000. Thank you.